All right, now that I have my video segments, and again, it is not required to add more than one video segment, but I just chose to do that. Down here, I can click play and start moving through these. Okay, and as I do, I can scroll ahead. So I know that right here, right after this graphic, I want to add a question. So I can adjust this so it's right here. No information on the screen yet. I'm going to click add an interaction. I'm going to show you all the options available for multiple choice first. Okay, so what is the most common element by mass in the human body? Okay, I'm just going to put the symbols C, H, and I just click on that, click on add an answer option, and it pulls another option up for me. Okay, so I don't have to do anything that complicated. Now I'm going to, if you look here, there are a lot of options where you can actually record an audio as the option. You can add an image. You can insert an equation. You can make it bold, italics. You can add a numbered list. Okay, you can add a special character. So what does that mean? Anything in these options here. Okay, and here it just allows you to see all the additional features. So really you can customize these answers as much or as little as you want. An option to, this is the right answer. I can click it here or I can choose over here. Okay. And since this is already marked correct, okay, I could change it. But again, it's just easiest to just click on the box. Here is where the real editing possibilities are. So interaction is required. So I'm going to make my students answer this. It pauses the video. That means they can't continue the video till they answer it. They can rewind after reaching this. So if I want them to be able to go back and see that part of the video again, and I usually leave this. I like to do this, randomize the answer order, so it just mixes it around. You can choose to allow more than one attempt if you want. I usually don't. I would have them retake the bulb. Hide correct answer if not selected. I usually choose this, meaning if they get the wrong answer, they'll know what they chose was wrong, but it won't give them the right answer right away. If you are teaching younger students, you might want to leave this off. Okay, then I am going to click done. When I do that, I want to show you in this menu here, I can adjust the point value for this single question. Also, it allows the option to duplicate the interaction. So I can duplicate it and simply change this wording to least. And based on these, students should know the answer is nitrogen, and then click done. You can continue to duplicate as many times as you want. You can add an interaction before. So if I wanted one in the middle of those, I can add it after. I can just change the direction of them, or I can separate it out into a whole other spot. Okay, so you really have the ability to customize a great deal with multiple choice questions.